The last action we're going to do is one that creates the look of an infrared film look, which captures a part of the color spectrum that our eye does not see. So it creates a distortion in landscapes, makes skies darker, and sometimes a lot more drama in the image. So it doesn't work real well with portraits. It tends to make people look very spooky. So for this image, I'm going to work with this background, this landscape image, and we're going to start as we have in the past by opening up our set of actions, and I'm going to go to create a new action. Create an infrared look in my set of personal actions, and to record. So this will work a little bit differently. We're going to use adjustments we haven't done in the past. This is the channel mixer. We're going to click on that. We're going to tick the monochrome box here. Automatically turns it black and white. And this is another way to make a black and white conversion. I'm going to set my red channel to 100. You can do it here by typing your numbers in. Nope. Sorry, too far. 100. My green to 200. And my blues to -200. You can see this serious distortion of tone in there. If you need to adjust it over here to create a little bit more subtlety, to not lose all of your detail, you can. Notice you're going to get a little bit of color coming through. And then we're going to merge those layers down into one background. So I'm going to click on Layer. I'm going to duplicate my layer. And I'm going to call this one Blur. And then I'm going to go to Edit and Free Transform. Free Transform. I'm going to pull my top layer so it's just a tiny bit bigger than my layer underneath. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to change my blending mode. We've done this before. I'm going to change it to screen on this time. Creates a little bit more distortion. And then I'm going to change my opacity. Oh, I have to say yes. And then I'm going to change my filled blur to Gaussian blur. And I'm going to set my radius to some number less than 5. And now I'm going to set my opacity layer to 30. So you get this kind of shake look to it. And I'm on my blur layer again. This time I'm going to go to create some noise. Under filter noise, I'm going to add noise. And I'm going to choose Gaussian again. And I'm going to keep monochromatic. And I'm going to set it to number between 5 and 10. You can see in the preview what it looks like to create a film grain look to it. And at this point you can make any changes you want. When you're finished, tick on the actions box here and stop it. Make sure that you highlight your set of actions and save your actions when you're done.